I accidentally shut the camera off my button. Oh, there you go again. I get my finger off the button here. And you got this brake caliper is not even bolted on. I'm gonna have to find a bolt for that. I think somebody tried to work on it but didn't do it. So that's another thing I gotta do. And change the oil, I suppose. The oil looks pretty bad. So that's where we're at right now. And this is, it says, point 0.7 liters. Well, anyways, that's what I got going on here. But the oils, there's some oil in there, but I'm going to change the oil. But that's what I got going on.